it's
You
the
won't
second
believe
method.
what's about to happen
This
with crazy
time, we're
plane
gonna
landing
keep our crab
crosswind.
in for most
Picture
of the
this,
approach.
a massive
We're not
aircraft
concerned with
soaring
keeping the
high above
nose
the
pointed down the
clouds,
runway.
its wings
We're
stretched
only
wide,
looking to keep our
defying
butts
gravity
on
as
top
it
of the
dances through
extended
the
center line.
sky.
We'll
But
correct for
down
drifting
below,
left or
chaos
right of the
brews,
center line
a
by
fierce
moving the
crosswind
controls
challenges
in
even the most
unison, just
seasoned
as we would in
pilots.
any other phase of flight.
As the plane descends,
In reality,
the tension
small
thickens,
corrections can be
the
done
ground rushes
solely
up,
with the rudder.
ready to meet them
Think
in a
of this just like
tumultuous
taxiing.
embrace.
We use rudders to keep
Watch
us on the
closely.
center line.
This next
The only
moment
difference
changes
is that we're
everything.
not also
The plane
pointed
tilts
down the center
precariously,
line.
struggling
Larger
against the
corrections
wind's
will
relentless
require
grip.
aileron input,
You
but
can
you
almost
should be
feel the
much more
heartbeats of
active
everyone
on the
on
rudders
board,
here.
a symphony
Now,
of
as
hope
we said,
and
we
fear
can't
as
land
the
in the crab,
pilots
so
expertly
regardless of
wrestle
whether
with
we
their
use the
machine.
side slip method or the
Just when it
crabbing
seems
method,
all is
at
lost,
some
they find
point
their
we will
rhythm,
have to
a delicate
align our
balance
nose with the
between
center
control
line.
and chaos.
So here, if we've
With
approached
a swift
in the
maneuver,
crab
the
method,
tires meet
we'll
the
need
runway,
to switch over to the
bouncing
side
briefly
slip,
before skidding
by
across
bringing
the
nose
asphalt
right
like
and
a
the wings
tightrope
left.
walker finding their footing after a near
And
fall.
now we're getting ready for our
The
round
relief
out
is
and
palpable,
touchdown with
echoing from the
left wing,
cockpit to the
upwind
cabin,
wing
but the battle isn't
down,
over.
and the
The
rudder
winds
keeping us
howl,
aligned.
and the plane sways, a final test of skill and nerves.
We begin the round
Yet
out by
with grit
bringing
and
the yoke back.
determination,
As
the
we do
pilots
this,
guide
our
their
airspeed
craft
is
to a
bled
safe
off.
halt.
With less air
Cheers
moving over the
erupt within
control
the
surfaces,
cabin,
the
a resounding
ailerons
wave
and
of
rudder are
gratitude for
less
their heroes
effective.
in the
So to
cockpit.
maintain this side
As the
slip, we'll
passengers
need
disembark, they
increasingly
carry with
larger
them more
inputs
than
on
just
both the rudders
luggage.
and the
They
ailerons.
leave with a
This is
story
the real
etched in their
challenge of the
memories, a
Crosswind
testament
landing.
to human
It's
resilience
unfortunately
against the
not
forces
enough
of
to find the
nature.
correct rudder and aileron
This
inputs
moment is a
early out
reminder
on
of the
approach and
incredible
just
skill behind
maintain
each
them.
flight,
We're
a
chasing
dance
a
between
moving
man and
target.
machine,
The
where
slower we
courage
get,
This
prevails
Boeing
against the
777
odds.
struggling to land
Crazy
at
plane
JFK
landings in a
Airport.
crosswind aren't just about the thrill. They're about the connection we share with those who take us safely home every time.
Whoa! Whoa, whoa, whoa!
Ground Delta.
This Airbus A320 landed on one wheel at a windy Taiwan airport. After a strong wind gust, this Airbus A320 became unstable, forcing it to go around.
Whoa, whoa! Mate! Yeah, go around. Flipping it, that is not a stable go around.
This Boeing 737 pilot battling a storm while landing.
200. 100.